Switching IT providers is one of those decisions that feels risky. What if it disrupts our operations? What if the new team doesn't understand our setup? Today, we're going to answer all of those questions by showing you our 30-day onboarding process. Week 1 is about understanding your environment completely before we touch anything. Our engineers conduct a full IT and infrastructure assessment. We map every device and application. We document every user and vulnerability, identifying what's working and what needs attention. We also meet your team to learn how you work and what matters most to your business. This is not a template. It's built around you. In weeks 2 and 3, we bring your environment under our management. Monitoring tools go live and security layers are implemented across your systems. Your staff get their support channels and know exactly how to reach us. We deliberately run a parallel period. Your old setup doesn't go dark until we're certain. Everything is stable under IPT's management. No cliff edges, no surprises. By the end of week 3, most clients tell us it already feels like we've been their IT team for years. At the end of week 4, we sit down with you for your first strategic review. We share our findings and what the roadmap looks like for the next 90 days. This is where IPT stops being just support and starts acting as your strategic IT partner. You'll have a named account manager and a direct line to your dedicated support team. You get a clear picture of exactly where your technology is headed. 30 days, full transition. A technology environment that's better than on day 1. That is the IPT onboarding promise. We've delivered it for over 200 South African businesses. We're ready to deliver it for yours. Book a discovery call via the link below. There's no obligation, just an honest conversation about what your IT needs. We look forward to meeting you.